Hello, this is Dave McNight, and I'm in the Regis University Software Engineering Practicum, and this is my prototype. So right here, I have my project is a math competition for schools. It's current business, and this is some of the test screens that we're showing. I'm basically showing the first several pages, the kind of the public pages, and then I'm going to be doing some login stuff, and then I'm going to show you the registration setup, and then just the initial signing up for classes. There's a lot of admin pages we won't be showing. I'm going to show a few. And since it's a prototype, I don't really have user roles set up currently right now. If you're signed in, you are an admin. That's not how it's normally going to be. But that's just because I want to show the client what we're capable of doing. So, real quick, here's this page right here. This is right here is just me showing something, printing the session out. That's just for testing purposes and prototype stuff, so it's fine. Right here, and I've already showed the prototype to the client, and they're good. So that's good. So here's the just some public page pages, very simple stuff right here. Nothing major. Just about us stuff. Some sample tests we have here. Here's a math test for the competition and stuff like that. Here's contact page. We don't have a contact form set up right now. They don't want one right now. I'm going to try to talk them into doing that, but as of now, it's not happening. So here, let's go ahead and register a class or school. All right, so right here, if you're a previous participant, we just have this idea. If you're a previous participant, go ahead and sign in with your school code and password. And you see, school code 4 is already auto-filled by Safari. Thank you for that. All right, so we never participated, so let's go ahead and create the school. All right, here I have some dummy data filled in, Greenville High. I'm going to choose EduContest as the league that we're going to be in. This is just information I have currently just filled in, auto-populated, so I don't have to go through the whole setup, but just prototype stuff, obviously. And I click here to do it, and then down here, we can press register, and actually, let me go ahead and move that screen a little bit here, so you can press register. All right, and thank you for registering. So this setup process was not my choice. This is what they want to do, and so it sends an email. It's going to send an email to the email address, but right now it has a school code and it gives the password. That's what they prefer. They don't want people having their own passwords. Now, there's no money going to be passed here. All financials, things will be through checks. This is how they wanted the setup to be. They want this to auto. They don't want you to be able to change the password. We create the password. I just have a random generator back there that does that. And the school code is the auto increment. So if you can see here, we have a lot of schools signed up for this business. So that's 6,013. And right here, so what we'll do is we'll go to the school dashboard. Once you click there, you go click here to sign up for classes. And so you're currently Greenville High's dashboard. Here's the dashboard page. You're currently not registered, so you guys register for the current year. So we'll click that. And it goes to the new screen. And right here, it'll go to school year. And so here's your edit registration. You can download tests. You can enter scores. All this stuff isn't set up yet, but we have edit registration. So right here, you go up here and you can sign up for classes this way. So we have tests, or we have sign up for the classes. These are the registering for the the actual classes, and then right over here are the actual tests. Like these are practice tests, and so each class is $80 and something, and then the practice test is $20, but that's sent somewhere else. So let's just sign up for a few classes here on each. As you can see, it shows that their class is registered, and so we'll go back to the dashboard, and we have a tab right here that says My Dashboard. Go back to Edit Registration, and so there we go. And then here's just some screens right here. We can download tests. This will This is more version 2.3.4, some admin stuff that allows you to download tests when they're available. There's 4 tests per year, and they get opened up at different times. We have an enter score screen that'll just show right here. This is just placeholder stuff. You could go in here and enter scores for each participant, stuff like that. Right here, I'm going to go to some admin pages just to show you what we're doing. We have a divisions page. So these are classes that are currently signed up for the current year. And so this is a page for the company, and he wants to go in there and manually change the division and create them his way. And we're going to sort these a little bit better for him when it comes to time. Right now, it's just sorting by class, by grade. And so Math 3, Math 4. And so this seems weird, but this is the way they want it. And he can manually change the divisions. He creates divisions, and he has a weird way of doing it, and he wants a custom way of doing it. So there's that. And then we also have a simple invoicing page. I'll show you here. And it's going to show all the classes. And this is, again, an admin page. So when they send a check in, I can say, hey, I want to say how much I paid. So St. Louis de Montfort paid. Look at that. They have nothing more, and it updates everything. So all these classes, so right here, let's say they need to pay $120. And that goes and updates. So they now shows how much they've paid, what their bill is, how much they've paid, how much is due, and you can set the payment here. You can print an invoice. This is a PDF generator, very simple thing. And if you want to look at all the PDFs currently, this will just go through all the PDFs and generate a PDF for each class. Generate a PDF for each class that is currently has a bill. And just that, so there's my prototype. Just to let you know, my tech stack is PHP, MySQL. That's running PHP 7. I'm using Ubuntu. CentOS is my operating system. This is currently at edu.davidmcnight.com. This is just a staging server I have some projects on. And also, the last part of the tech stack is I'm using Bootstrap for the front end development. So PHP and Angular, MySQL, and Bootstrap. So there's my project, guys, and hopefully we'll have another video at the end of the next semester, so or section or whatever it is, term.